Hi guys, so today we'll be reasoning about absolute value inequalities. So this will help you with the second problem. So examine the worked example, use the graph of y equals 2/3 x minus 5 in absolute value signs and y equals 5 to answer each question. Consider the equation 2/3 x minus 5 in the absolute value signs is greater than 5. The solution set of 2/3 x minus 5 and absolute value is greater than 5 is a conjunction or a disjunction. It's a disjunction because the arrows are going this way. The two inequalities x is less than 0, x is less than or equal to 0, x is greater than 0, x is greater than or equal to 0. The correct answer is x is less than or equal to 0. And then because we know it's a disjunction, that means that we use the word or, not and. And is when it is a conjunction. So x is less than 15, x is less than or equal to 15, x is greater than 15, or x is greater than or equal to 15. The answer is x is greater than or equal to 15. In compact form, this compound inequality can be written as 0 is sorry guys. 0 is less than x, and then x is less than 15. Or 0 is less than or equal to x, and then x is greater than or equal to 15. 0 is greater than x, or x is greater 0 is greater than x, or x is greater than 15, or 0 is greater than or equal to x, and x is greater than or equal to 15, or cannot be written in compact form. The answer is it cannot be written in compact form. Consider the equation 2/3 x minus 5 in absolute value signs is less than 5, and the solution set of 2/3 x minus 5 in absolute value signs is less than 5 is a conjunction or a disjunction. It is a conjunction because the arrows are going this way. The two inequalities can be represented by the two inequalities. X is less than 0, x is less than or equal to 0, x is greater than 0, or x is greater than or equal to 0. But we know that with a conjunction you use the word and, so you can already type that in. So I just wrote those down. So the answers were x is greater than 0 and x is less than 15. In compact form, this compound inequality can be written as 0 is less than x, x is greater than 15, or 15 is greater than x, or 0 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than or equal to 15, or it cannot be written in compact. The answer is 0 is less than x, and x is less than 15. Then we consider this equation the same one except with a different sign, and it is conjunction because it has this arrow going this way, or the mouth is going that way. Then the two inequalities, if we know it's conjunction, we can use the word and then they give you the same options as they did before up here. So in compact form, the compound, or it can be represented by x is less than or equal to 0, and x is greater than or equal to, or 15 is greater than or equal to x. So consider the equation again, and it is a disjunction this time because it has the arrows or the mouth going towards the absolute value signs, and then because it gives you the same options for the zeros, and then it gives you the same options for the 15s, and then we know that a disjunction uses the word or. So the two inequalities are x is less than 0 or 15 is less than x. And in compact form, this compound inequality can be written as, and it cannot be written in compact form because it's a disjunction. So anytime it's a disjunction, it means that it cannot be written in compact form. It can only be written in compact form when it's a conjunction. So I hope this helped you guys with this problem in reasoning about absolute value inequality.